Hi guys, it's Luco, and today we'll be talking about how your writing isn't cringe. And before I get into this video, I do want to shout out, I have a Discord now, I have also YouTube membership tiers, and also Ko-Fi tiers. The YouTube and the Ko-Fi have the same benefits. It's just more accessible to different people. I did it for accessibility. And yeah, please check it out if you like what I make. Let's get into it. So, you think your work is cringe. Like, you want to give it up, you want to die, you want to throw up. Like, you're like, this is so cringe, I can't keep doing this. Well, guess what? I won't let you think your work is cringe. So, your work isn't cringe, and here's why. Simply, writing is a vulnerable thing to do, and you're being vulnerable with yourself, and you're kind of scared you're gonna get hurt or judged, but no one is gonna judge you except yourself. When you write for yourself, there's no one there to judge you. I know a lot of you mentioned like your professors and teachers, but there's no professor here, no teacher. Even your friend, like, you don't have to share your work with anyone, like your friends or your peers, anyone. Like, your work can just be for you, and you can just keep it to yourself if you would like to, if it makes you feel safer. Because when you write, you should feel comfortable and safe to write. I feel like that's how you get your best workout, personally. And yeah, it's not cringe, it's just you. Like, to be cringe is to be free, and just be free and write what you want to write. But you are scared. You feel cringe. Why? Because you don't think you're good enough. With all the media you consumed, you think, I can never be like this, I can never be as good as this. But do you think anyone is born reading or writing? It's a skill you build up over time, and people work hard for these skills. And you will too. So don't be afraid to fail. You pick yourself up and you learn from it and you move on. That's also a skill in itself, and it's a skill you also build up. Your failures will build new beginnings and fresh starts. Instead of it being a hurdle, it should be a breath of fresh air, because you should learn from it more than it should hinder you. Get motivated to fail and get excited too, because it means you'll get better and there's a brighter future ahead. I think a lot of people don't have patience as well, and I understand, but patience is another skill you build up. But the faster you get to work, the faster you succeed. And your first drafts will be rough, but then in time, they'll become polished. If you're worried you'll never get to where you want to be, think about your goals. It can be writing short stories or creating a comic series. You can have big goals, small ones, it doesn't matter as long as you get there. How do you get a goal? Think about your writing inspirations. I know I said in my last video, but you don't actually have to read. You can also play video games, watch a movie, or even listen to music and like kind of make up a storyline. It doesn't matter how you consume the media, it just matters how you absorb it and how you get inspired from it. And when I say that, I also mean like pick apart what you like about it. I used to get a notebook and be like, oh, I like these tropes, oh, I like these characters, why I like these characters, why I like how these characters interact with each other, and how I like the world building, and like what settings do I like. That's what I would think about when I would consume media. I think about it more technically than I do like watch it. I watch it like absorbing it and like analyzing it. Maybe it's because I'm autistic, I don't know. Can you tell writing and drawing is my special interest? Anyways, my biggest inspirations are Octopath Traveler, the video game, and Moshyang Tongshu books. Murazushi and TGCF are my biggest inspirations ever. I feel like the writing is amazing and the storylines are amazing, and like also with Octopath, I feel like with the fanfics are really good, and they really develop the characters more. Oh my god, I'm gonna shout out Court for Crimson Berries Blackberries. Oh my god, did they just like made the characters so developed and the storyline so good. Oh my god. But I know a lot of people also mention like, oh, these stories are so good, like I'll never make a story as good as this. Also think about, a lot of projects have a lot of people working on them, and a lot of people who are professionals, and like they have meetings about like the story and stuff, and they take months to develop it, even years. And so I think like as you, a single little person trying to make their little story, I think like you're doing your best, you're doing what you can, and you're developing it at your own pace. When I say that, I want to get to the point of, you don't have to create a masterpiece each time you write. You can just make stories, and they don't have to be good. Your writing does not have to be good. Because what does that even mean, to be good? Like, who is it good to? Like, is it good to you, good to your peers, good to your teachers? Like, think about who you want it to be good to. Everyone finds different media engaging, and simply just create what you want to. People decide for themselves what they want to engage with. Just write for yourself. Yeah, like the people who will want to interact with it will. I think a big part of people's fear is like people not finding their work engaging, but I feel like if you find it engaging, someone else will, like no matter what. And also, to get more technical, I know I kind of did it in my last video. It was kind of just like this, like motivation. Your rough drafts, you can have multiple rough drafts and before you get the final product, and you don't have to show anyone your first draft. Usually by my second or third one, I'll like show it to a friend and I'll be like, hey, is this good? And they'll be like, no, it's trash. And I'll be like, okay, back to the drawing board. I like getting other people's opinions once I'm ready for it. Like, once you're ready, you can ask for assistance. Like, you have, like, don't pressure yourself into being amazing, great, and fantastic the first time around. It's like when you do the first draft of a drawing and you're like, this looks horrible, but you keep working at it and it's like, wait, I made a masterpiece. This is the exact same. I feel like drawing and writing are intertwined with each other, and if you work hard at both, you'll get better at both. So yeah, just focus on what you want to make and what making that means to you. Because again, your work isn't cringe. It's just you being you, and you're not cringe. No one is. And if someone does think you're cringe, someone else probably thinks they're cringe for thinking people are cringe. So think about that. Think about the complexities of being cringe, and then write what you want to write and draw what you want to draw. Just be you. Yeah. Be proud of your work as well. I feel like a lot of people don't think about that. Like, be proud of what you make because you're making something. You're not using AI. You're not plagiarizing. You're putting in all the work by yourself. And it's hard for one person to make a story, and it's hard for people to make characters. Like, you're just one guy, you're just one person, and it's hard, and it should feel difficult. Like, when you're writing like, this is so hard, it should feel difficult because you're not used to it. It's a skill you build up, and it's a skill that's fresh to you. So yeah, feel the pain of writing and drawing. They're both very painful, and I guess the human experience in itself is painful, which sucks. You ever watch Blue Period? Oh my god. But yeah, that's kind of it for me. Write your first drafts, let them be rough, keep it to yourself if you need to, experience the pain of writing. You are not cringe. Thank you guys. It's been Luco.